Spider-Man died off. Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
This is the store we're at. It's pretty cool, actually. So, nurtured family.
So what we're gonna do is at 10:30 exactly, which is like 2 minutes, is when we'll start. So when your hand is up, that's when you're counted. So the baby has to be completely latched on, not fussing around. The baby has to be completely latched on. Raise your hand once they're latched on, and then for 1 minute exactly, that will be what's counted. You can continue breastfeeding if you don't want to take the baby for a minute. But so anyway, that's the rule. So a minute and a half, and we'll start.